Hi everybody, it's Molly here today. I'm here just to show you a few of my favorite scarf tying techniques. We always have a beautiful assortment of shawls here at the shop, and I get a lot of questions about how do I wear them? How do I tie them? So here's a lovely basket of lightweight shawls from Kinross that are just so fabulous. And all these shawls are oblong, so they're long and they are pretty wide. So you can, of course, I'm so pretty, do where you just wrap it around like a shawl. This is pretty easy. If you pull to one side, you get a little bit more color. And I'm also wearing one of our fabulous new cotton everyday essential t-shirts by Mildred Hoyt, and it's just such an easy backdrop. And you can dress it up with a scarf. Now we can move on to something a little more complicated. This is a beautiful blue. Okay. So you fold the scarf in half like so. Bring the looped end around your neck and then put both through. I think a lot of people have seen this before. You can certainly put everything down the center. Another way is to put the loop over the shoulder. Take one end and have it drape down and have the other end go over the shoulder. And again, just gives it a little bit of style. Now, another way that's very popular and classic, this is a really fun animal print, mixed animal print, is to again, start with it in half, loop it around, and then go like this and like this. And again, this is going to be a little bit closer to the neck. I just like to tuck the ends in. Like when I'm in Paris, this is usually how I wear my scarves. Just gives a little bit of a cowl, especially if it's a bit chilly. It's a great way. You can also pull one end to one side like this. So you want about 60 to 70% on this side, 30 to 40% here, and then loop it around once. So this is great. And you can adjust the neckline accordingly. Make it a little bit more of a cowl. If you don't want it so close, or if you are still wearing a necklace and want to showcase it, you can put a pretty Claire Williams piece right here. And you can certainly also tie this once, and give it a little bit of a more polished look as well. Put a jacket on over this, super cute. Now my favorite way to tie, and I show it a lot here in the store, and I've definitely done it on previous videos as well. Let's pick a new scarf. This one's really pretty. So again, you fold it in half and you loop this way. So instead of putting both ends through like I've done before, I'm just going to take one end and put it through, and then I'm just going to forget about that end. I'm still holding the loop, and I'm going to twist it once. So you can see that was just a simple twist. Doesn't matter which direction you twist it, and then put the other loop through. And what this does is it creates this very polished, cute little knot. You can see it's almost like a little pretzel, and it's so great because it really condenses the whole scarf and it makes it stay in place. And you can adjust again. You can make this knot up close, you can make it lower, and this is the perfect little tie, especially if you don't know what to do with a scarf, but you really want to have the textured look of wearing a scarf with your outfit, because you will not have to fuss with this once and it's not in the way. So thanks for watching today. And if you have any questions, I'm always willing to help you here at the shop, but you can also always reference this video when you're getting dressed. Thank you.